Hi guys, I would like to welcome all of you to this AMP activity, which is about producing a short clip, or let's say a short video based on our AMP activity. First of all, let me introduce myself and following up with my group members. My name is Mesha Varman, and following up with Tanush, and also not forgetting Arvin, Hillary, and also the most important, let's say our backbone of this activity will be Dai. And yeah, so we are the AMP students has just formed a small video explaining about the effects of an aircraft when it passes through the certain weathers. First of all, extreme heat, following up with winter, and also we're not definitely forgetting the rain. See, there are so many factors which really affects the performance of an aircraft while it's flying. But then these three factors are the real purpose, or it causes such a tremendous effect to the aircraft.
As we know, extremely hot weather does affects the aircraft landing and also the takeoff. So, for example, it is sometimes more difficult to get the airplanes off the ground in extremely hot weather. But the problem is not the temperature itself or the humidity. So the main reason and the cause for this is the air density that gets in the way of this problem. So for example, the about the air density is the hotter air gets thinner. The thin air makes it more difficult for planes to lift and land safely. This is especially the case with smaller planes. That is why more than 50 flights were cancelled in the southern West United States earlier this week.
The winter season can affect the aircraft in unexpected ways, such as technical aspect and component of the aircraft. But winter air actually denser than warm air. This helps the performance of turbine and internal composition of piston engine better efficiency equal more power for better acceleration and a quicker takeoff. However, accumulation of ice on wings stabilizes elevator control, and almost every part of the aircraft can have an advanced effect on the winter condition of the aircraft. So before the flight take off, the aircrew will make sure to do de-icing or anti-icing on the aircraft for a better takeoff and for the safety of the flight.
If rain is too heavy, it can cause the pilot visibility to impact, which will make it unsafe to take off or land, terribly preventing his or her aircraft from flying. And heavy rain also can cause a plane engine to flame out.
So in a nutshell, let's say as a conclusion, we have just saw what kind of effects does these three weathers can bring or can affect really on an aircraft's performance. Extreme heat, we know it's not good for extreme heat when it comes to, especially when it comes to the landing part. And winter, let's say winter is not only about winter, but also when in some countries where the snow falls, and then let's say the icing happens, so it's very dangerous. And same goes to rain, it can affect the visibility of an aircraft while it's taking off, or it's either when it's landing. So as we see, these are the real effects, or this how can prevent an aircraft to reach its maximum potential while it's flying. With that, I would like to end this video with a very good thank you, and also thanks for all your patience for listening to this short clip, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this clip. And with that, stay safe in home, it's COVID-19 pandemic, and yeah, be hygiene always, definitely. Thank you so much.